Hi everyone. Minds Act is no more. It has been replaced. In this video, we are going to see about that. If you are watching this video for the first time, myself Yatra, and kindly subscribe to our channel so that you will get notified whenever we post videos related to mining. In the year 2019, central government introduced 4 new labor codes in Lok Sabha to replace 29 existing labor laws into 4 codes for simplified and easy understanding. These codes were introduced because most of the existing laws are old and outdated. And in addition, in order to prevent the organization which do not follow the rules taking advantage of the loopholes in the existing laws. Further, the existing laws causes many procedural difficulties. For example, take an integrated cement plant. For welfare related issues related to mines, they have to follow Mines Act. And for welfare issues related to factory, they have to follow Factories Act. Within the same organization, they are forced to follow welfare provision related to different laws. And it also causes hindrance for the government for implementing various welfare and safeguard provisions related to laborers working in the same organization. The 4 codes which are introduced are: first one, wage code. It is already passed in the year 2019. This code is formed by replacing the 4 existing laws that you can see in the screen. Second one is the Industrial Relation Code, which is passed in the year 2020. This code is formed by replacing the 3 existing laws that you can see in the screen. Third one is the Social Security Code. It is also passed in the year 2022. And this code is formed by replacing the 9 existing laws. Fourth one is the Occupational Safety, Health and Working Condition Code 2020. This code is formed by replacing the 13 existing laws. As a mining person point of view, we have to concentrate on Occupational Safety, Health and Working Condition Code because this code only replaced our Mines Act 1952. This code consists of 13 chapters which covers 633 provisions of 13 existing major labor laws into one single code with only 143 provisions. To authenticate clearly, the actual gazetted copy of this code says that this code is formed to consolidate and amend the laws regulating the occupational safety, health and working conditions of the person employed in an establishment. The 13 chapters given in this code are: Chapter 1, Preliminary; Chapter 2, Registration; Chapter 3, Duties of Employer and Employee; Chapter 4, Occupational Safety and Health; Chapter 5, Health, Safety and Working Condition; Chapter 6, Welfare Provisions; Chapter 7, Hours of Work and Annual Leave with Wages; Chapter 8, Maintenance of Registers, Records and Returns; Chapter 9, Inspector cum Facilitator and Other Authority; Chapter 10, Special Provision related to Employment of Women; Chapter 11, Contract Labours; Chapter 12, Offences and Penalties; Chapter 13, Social Security Fund. Mining industry is facing a rapid change, especially in mines legislation. At first, the law which was dealing with minerals development, MMDR Act, was amended. Then, the law which is dealing with mines operation, coal mines regulation, metal mines regulation, these laws were amended. Now, the law which deals with safety and health of the person working in the mines, that is Mines Act, is now replaced, and we have been given with a new code, that is Occupational Safety, Health and Working Condition Code. In coming years, we may expect many changes in Mines Rules 1955, which is based on Mines Act 1952. Hereafter, for any issues related to mines, we may have to refer to this new code, and our Mines Act is no more. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos related to mining.